Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. This is my second try. First try video got messed up. Anyway, I'm making this a small video about recapping the whole week, trades and setups and all that. So let's get started without wasting any time. This is pound. Okay, this is the week before last week. One of those trades, pound yen, 20-minute on 30th September. But last week started from I think it's 3rd of October. So just bypass this one. And all right, so here, this is October 4th. Okay, Euro-Aussie 40-minute setup and trade. You can see how nicely it came down. It gave me a setup. Let me get all the way to the upside. And this level, weekly high 47.06 was right there where I got the short setup. So this is one of those, and then this is Euro Yen 40-minute on the 4th. 40-minute setup here, bouncing from this 78% of this fib that I draw, and these are the levels, staying above those levels and bouncing and gone with the wind, 180 pips. This one even went further than this one, way above. I had another entry on that one. So this is the 4th of October, Euro Yen 40-minute setup and trade. After that, what I had here, you can see this one, October 5th, pound yen 20-minute, long entry. This entry was a little bit late because I was just, gone. I was waiting for a setup, but when I was away, the setup happened and then move started when I came back. But I got, a few pips out of there. That was 5th. And then this is the one, Euro Yen again. And after that, 200 pip trade before. Another entry, got it here, got in here, and then you can see it's more than 100 pip. Again, on the 6th of October. On the 6th, also Euro Aussie, because of this Aussie, so went up a few pips here. This is a 20-minute chart. And this is the one. This is the one on the 6th, just before that big thing happened with pound on Thursday. My entry was there, and it started to come down slowly, and then after a while, that when that news, God knows what happened on Thursday, nobody knows, right? But pound got weakened big time, and this pair and another one, they just dropped like a rock, right? Hundreds of pips. So I was in before that, and I cash out. I don't even have the chart because I cash out in a hurry. So this is pound USD that day, and also this one I was in. Okay, on the 6th, this was also, this is the entry I was in and went down. You can see how many, hundreds of pips it went down, big time. And this entry was this whole entry and this chart. I will show you the weekly chart of this pair. You will be amazed. And after that, another after dropping and me cashing out on pound USD and pound Aussie, there was a retracement, and then again they dropped. So when it was a retracement, it came down back to the 64.85 area. I short it again for 200 more pips. Yeah, it went up again to this area. It's just like wobbling, but overall the pressure was to the downside. That was the key. And you can see this also, it went up, and pound Aussie gave me the entry there, and that's 150 pip more than that on the 7th. Okay, so these are the trade, and the key factor was pound, right? Highlight of the week, pound weakness. And remember this chart I showed you, that this is the entry that I was in pound Aussie. And so many short entries I took over the last couple of months on this. Several months we've been shorting this pair. I have been in my group. Let me show you why. Okay, so this is the chart I made. Like you can see it's 24 March, I guess, right? Was it March? Probably, I don't know. This is 21 February. Anyway, so you can see this. This was the level here, 0287. This is 04 right there, and it kind of touched that, right? 04. And then notice that this is powerful move going to the upside, and I'm telling you that it's gonna go down. It's not gonna go up. So it was based on my calculation. And what happened to this chart is this. Okay, on last Friday, Thursday probably. So we came down all the way exactly where I said it's gonna come. And now this is what the situation is. If we hit this level and then we pull back a little bit, not a little bit. Oh no. For this pair, a little bit is 700 pips. So in this case, it's 600 pips. Pull back already. But now, what's next? I mean, this is the harmonic pattern, and this is what I teach. Trading harmonic pattern way ahead of time. Your conventional way, people tell you that once the pattern is finished at 127%, then you trade. Okay, so you tell me that bounce from here so far is 600 pip, but I start trading from there, from point C, and from there to there it's 4,500 pip. Okay, so which is better, 600 pip or 4,500 pip? That's the key. So we've been trading from here all the way down, short, short, short. I took some long too, yeah, but mostly short, 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 because we knew that this is going to happen, and this helps a lot. So these harmonic patterns, and then a little bit of Elliott wave, and all of these numbers, highs and lows, how to get them from where, weekly chart, and the templates. I also provide my template. For example, if I have this chart here, let's say monthly chart or this weekly chart, yeah, this is the so I save the template and then I'll send it to you. And what you need to do is just open a power of the weekly chart and apply the template, and you will have exact chart in front of you, right? And then in my webinars, live webinars, I explain all these setups. How do I do it? I get wave counts and different harmonic patterns, and you will learn a lot. So when you subscribe, you will get all the indicators, the EA, the alarm EA that I made. When the setup happens, for example, the charts are not refreshed, but I'm going to show you anyway the 40-minute chart or 20-minute chart, how they look like. Okay, so this is what it is. For example, this is a setup. Let's say if this is a setup, right? When the alarm is going to start beeping. Okay, alarm will start beeping, and you will have to come and open a trade manually. But it's much better. Because you can see that if the entry is in your direction or not. Okay, if my analysis, if I give you a weekly chart that this pair is going up, and all you need to do is just take the upper, long setups, and even if it is like after the long move, you have to decide if you want to take it or not. EA will take anything, right? So that's why I have. It's like an EA, but entry you have to make a decision manually. Okay. And it works very good. Okay, for example, look at this. Entry was here, entry was here, entry was here. Look at this indicator was all the way up here, all the way up. Red candles, you make it short. Then here, and my analysis telling you that this pair is gonna drop big time, right? So all you gotta do is just being below the red line, you just take these entries when the indicator is up, start red candles start to show up, and that's it. Short, 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 all the way, hundreds of pips, right? So this is what it is, and like I said, if you want to learn all this and be a part of my group, you can join. You can go on my website, www.myforexmagicwave.com. It's all of these charts you can see on the corner of the name of my website. Oops, it's not here, but mostly you see right here. You go on the website and subscribe, and I will send you everything, the indicators to open these kind of candles, all the indicators, this one, and the pivot points and monthly and weekly pivots and all that, and my templates and the EA, everything, and a lot of probably 4 or 5 videos, instruction videos are also in the package. How to do this, how to open these charts, and what to do or what not. And even if after that you have a problem, you can always email me and ask me questions, whatever feel like. Okay. So if you like what you saw, you just go on my website and subscribe and start trading the way I'm doing and the way I'm showing you right now. Next week is going to be again a very, very volatile week. As far as the pound is concerned, we will have big moves. So get ready and get going. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.